showing y'all my sweat proof makeup routine. This is the same routine I wore to a pool party, and I kept it was long enough to where I kept it on at night too. So we finna get it crack-a-lackin', okay? So the first thing, my face is clean. I'm gonna go ahead and prime my face. This is the MERCIER oil-free foundation primer. And if y'all see me looking over this way, this is where my mirror is, so yeah. But yeah, I just put a little dollop in like the faux areas of my face. And then I just rub it in. So next step is I'm going to take my Fenty Beauty powder. So I've been using this lately. I like it a lot, mainly because the brown has like a yellow undertone, and it goes well with like, because I don't like a super highlighted face, so it goes really well with what I like. But this is the Jackie Aina trick. So I've done this a couple of times in my other videos, but what happens is you're going to go ahead and take your beauty blender. I'm going to use the diamond sponge from Real Techniques, and then I'm just going to dab it in the areas where I know I get the oiliest, and I'm also going to dab it over my hyperpigmentation as well, just so you don't have to use as much foundation. So as you can see, just dabbing it in the areas where I get the most oily. I don't know why my camera keeps doing that. It be stopping the recording in the middle of nowhere. Like, sis, didn't nobody tell you to stop recording? This doesn't mess up. I had a lot of people ask me, does this go or mess up with like the color of your foundation or anything like that? For me, no, it doesn't mess it up. But then again, I don't super highlight. So if you are a person that highlights, like highlight, I would try to go with a more translucent type of powder instead of like something that you use to like actually like, you know, go under your eye and stuff like that. But from what I've seen, it don't mess up like the texture of your foundation. It doesn't mess with the color of your foundation or anything like that. Boom. So now that I'm primed up, powdered up, all of that jazz, so I used my Can't Stop Won't Stop, and then I mixed it with my Born This Way. So this is the same exact routine that I did there. So what I did was I take a pump. Oh my god, it's dry. It's gonna pop. Oh my god, it just spurred like everywhere. Ew. But I take like a pump and a half of this, and then I take a full pump of Born This Way, and that's all I used. It should cover my whole face. If I do need a little more, then I can just go back in with a little of the Can't Stop Won't Stop, mainly because that one is actually it has a fuller coverage and it's matte. So yeah, taking this all over the face, and this is with the buffing brush, by the way. So like the Born This Way is gonna give me like that luminous like skin type of finish, while the Can't Stop Won't Stop is giving me the coverage. Yeah, so I'm taking this all over the face, and like I said, you really don't need that much. I used, I would say, 2 pumps and a half for just my full face. So flawlessly beat, okay, just blending out. And as you can see, it's already giving me like a skin type of finish without me like doing too much with it. Now I go in with the butt of like this beauty blender, and just to take any excess product away that you don't need. So that's what I use the sponge for, is to take away the excess product that I don't need. I don't like using it to blend out my foundation anymore because it takes a lot of product. So next I'm going in with the Too Faced Born This Way concealer. This is the best concealer to hit the market. Argue with your mama, it's the best. So I take just like a couple of dots under the eyes. That's more than a couple, let's say a few dots under the eyes, and then also on the top of my forehead. And then with this product up here, I use it to blend down my nose. But I let this sit for a little bit to get a little tacky or whatever. So, you know, you can jam out to a song or whatever, but I let it sit for like 45 seconds to like a minute. I really can't tell if I'm in focus or not because I ain't got no corrective lenses on. Y'all, I read my content. But taking my Morphe sponge, I'm gonna go ahead and blend this out under my eye. So I switch between both of them. So I go here, I go over. And yeah, just switching between both of them. So now that that's blended out, I take it on the top. And down my nose. And do just like this. Now I take the butt and I blend out the sides. And boom, we is looking flawless, okay? When it's like all blended out and stuff like that, I just go under the eyes just to make sure I get rid of them creases. And I set immediately, like I don't even wait. And I'm using the same Fenty Beauty powder and cashew. And yeah, I don't wait. I set immediately. And it's only because like I get oily, so the last thing I want is for like any oil to penetrate. Oh, I got powder in my eye. Oh my god. But any oil to penetrate through, like no, we don't have time. I go on my forehead. And even though like I didn't highlight right here, I always just take some extra powder and like go on the sides of my mouth because I get like those laugh line creases. Maybe this that's because I be laughing too much, but I get like those laugh line creases. So yep, I let this sit for a little bit. So I'm gonna text. I got somebody to text back. So as this is sitting, you can actually, what I do is I go ahead with my Morphe Bronzer. I really like this. It get a little patchy sometimes, but as you can see, I didn't hit pan. So yeah, I take this and I bronze up my face. I didn't want to put on any contour as in like the cream contour, mainly because like I just like how natural this looks. Next side. So yeah, just make sure it's really blended, because I hate when like I be having like this super duper harsh like contour. I just make sure it's blended, and I take some on my forehead and blend down. Mainly on the sides, because I like my forehead to look like a sunset. Concentrate on my nose. I've been liking the way like nose contours look nowadays, so I just concentrate on it, get under it, and anything. So now we done with the contour part. I'm gonna go ahead. I have this big brush from e.l.f. that I've been loving lately. Yes, it is stained. It got my powder on it, but I just been loving it lately. So. And I powdered the whole face. And this is the Sephora Micro Smooth. I finally got some. Y'all know I stand by this. Like, this powder is the truth. Like, no cap. And I go all over the face. Like, over the whole face. Because it's been good. It just be making me look so smooth and put together. And then just to give me a little more blend action, I take this buffing brush from Real Techniques, and I just buff over like this section right here just to make sure it's blended, like the highlight and the contour is blended together. And then also just making sure that a lot of that powder under my eyes gone. Also on the forehead, can't forget the forehead. But this blends out like everything. Like it makes everything just blend so well. So I've been setting my face lately with this is the Rose Glow Mist, and it's from PIXI. I use it to I just like the way that it gives a skin finish once I'm done spraying. So and it smells so good. So yeah, I just go over the face, taking the butt of my beauty blender just to really dab that into the skin. And yeah, so skin looking like cute. Okay, so next I go in with this is Anastasia Brow Wiz. I need to go get another one because I'm running out. But I just been liking the way pencil has been looking nowadays. So yeah, I just go. Let me flip this over because I need a bigger mirror. Complete. Let me flip it back over just so I'm not exposing myself. Oh yeah, brows is complete. So now that I'm all good in the brow department, so this is completely optional, these next two things, but what I like to do is I take like a blending brush. Girl, if I can find one. Yeah, I take like a blending brush in that same bronzer, swirl it in both of them, and I just take it on my crease area just to give me like some type of like definition so I can look a little put together. Just to make me look a little more put together than just, you know. Then I just make sure it's really blended out. Especially this side. I suck at blending on this side. Like I catch myself every time not blended enough on this side. But boom. So the highlight that I am going to use is the NYX Duochromatic Illuminating Powder in the color Synthetica. And yeah, I just swirl it in there. Just swirl sis, because it's that good. And then girl, don't play with me. I've been liking the nose highlight. So yes, and like this is a go-to, like, cause it's gonna have me straight every time. Gonna have me straight. Oh. So I done put some lashes on. I done put some lip gloss on, and yeah, that is all that I have for today. It is sweat proof. It is, I ain't gonna say waterproof because I didn't swim at the party. So I mean, if somebody want to dive in the water and let me know if this routine is waterproof, then let me know. But yes, it is sweat proof and it is very long lasting. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Cause I gotta shout out my friend. I got on For the Low today. If you are interested in For the Low, I will leave all of that information down below. Y'all better go follow my friend, follow him on Twitter. Mainly follow him on Twitter because he be dropping hints all the time on Twitter. And yes, this is a black-owned business and it's continually growing. And yeah, that's my friend. Y'all go support my friend. Again, all the information will be down below. I have nothing else to say, but make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And make sure you're following me on all of my social media platforms. That is Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat. Other than that, I'm going to just stop right here. And I will see you guys next week. Bye.